Some people will remember when General Gowon left Nigeria with half the central bank, so it is said, and moved to London.
When you think about Nigerians' predicament or the problem Nigeria is facing today, United Kingdom will never be exonerated because they caused so many things from the beginning, right from the time they amalgamated Nigeria. So they are part of the problem we are having today. But I give them credit for their recent stand when they started talking about how politicians will know the money that belongs to the poor masses, they will bring it abroad there in their country to make it a safe haven. So I believe that so many Nigerian politicians won't be happy with this and they are panicking. So I read this thing in the news, and when I saw this video, I said I'm going to share it with you. Because last week, you people saw the EFCC chairman, how he was ranting. He was saying that Nigerian citizens are the problem, why other countries don't respect Nigerian passport again. I disagree with him because the politicians are the reason why. Nigerian citizens who are abroad, despite that there are some persons who are caught doing illegal things, but so many Nigerians who are abroad, they are working. So I've never traveled to any place where I bring up my ATM card to pay for something, either a hotel or in a restaurant, and they will ask you to bring it that they are going to photocopy it because you are in Nigeria. That is what EFCC chairman is telling us, was telling us last week. That is a lie. Maybe they photocopy his ATM card because they are suspecting him because he's a Nigerian politician and a public officer. Because these people believe that Nigerian politicians are very rich and wealthy, and the source of their wealth is not traceable. So maybe he must have brought a lot of money there. That was why they started photocopying his ATM card and so on and so forth. So I want you to take your time and listen to what these United Kingdom people are planning for Nigerian politicians.
To stop those who are profiting from the wealth of that great nation and hiding it here. Now, some people will remember when General Gowon left Nigeria with half the central bank, so it is said, and moved to London. We know that today, even now, in this great city of ours, there are, sadly, some people who have taken from the Nigerian people and hidden their ill-gotten gains here. We know that our banks, sadly, have been used for that profit and for that illegal transfer of assets. And that means that the UK is in an almost unique position in being able to actually do something to really exert pressure on those who have robbed Nigerian people. Now, this puts a particular onus on the Minister, and I know my right honourable friend knows it, that using Magnitsky sanctions today isn't just about protecting Nigeria, although it is. It's not just about respecting Nigerian young people who have been robbed and murdered by these SARS units. It's actually about protecting the United Kingdom, because what happens in Nigeria matters fundamentally to us here. This is the third country of the Commonwealth. This is a country of 200 million people. It is going to be the great economic powerhouse of Africa and one of the great economic powerhouses of the world. This is a country whose wealth, not just in the oil off the river state, but in the imagination and creativity of its people, is witnessed every day in Nollywood, and perhaps more my style, at the great University of Jos. This is a country that gives so much to the world already, despite the fact that it is ill-governed, brutalized and robbed. Just imagine what it could give